So here is a small scissors in my hand, and to this scissors that I'm going to do something. Just you have to keep watching my video. And now here is the another thing, that which is a small box, and inside of the small box there is something that I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you this. Just only you have to keep watching this video. And I ordered this from Flipkart. Now let's see that what kind of thing is this. Is it good or bad? Okay, now I have to cut this box from the side, from a corner, that I have to cut this. Then maybe I will be able to open this box, because the packaging of this box is too good. It's too good. So that's why, if you're going to cut this box, that I have to find out the point of that corner, that from which side it'll be easy for cut. So that's why I'm looking for this side. So as you can see now, I'm preparing this to hold my mobile, because I don't have any tripod, I don't have any stands. So that's why it's a little bit problem to shoot video. So that's why I have to keep my mobile here very nicely. If you're going to open this my box, okay, now it's all right. Okay, okay, let me open this. The thing that what I ordered is not too expensive. It was, I think, not I think actually it was only, here's the thing that I ordered. This beard growth well advanced, and this is from Ustra. Okay, it's gonna be my first time that I'm gonna use this. I didn't use before this. Actually, not only these things, but any product that I didn't use before. Okay, so that's why I think it's gonna be very helpful for me, I think. So that's why I ordered this, and now finally I've gotten this today. Just before 20 minutes I have gotten this. Okay, now as you can see over here, as dropper. So this dropper, that it'll be very easy to apply on your palm. I mean, first that you have to take few drops on your palm, and after that you have to rub your palm like this, that, and then you can use on your beard, on your cheek. Okay, now I'm not going to open this. And now here is the bottle of this Beard Growth Well, which is 60 ml, and the price of this thing is $6.99, but I got this through the Flipkart, 404 rupees. And now you can see over here steps for an awesome beard using the Ustra beard wash. Okay, let me open this. Step 1. Okay, before going to apply this, what you should do first, that you have to see here is mentioning that step 2, spray some water and rinse your beard. And one thing, when I ordered this, then I thought that it's a bottle of glues, but it's not a glass bottle, it's a plastic bottle, which is too good. Yeah, you can press like this, that though it's not gonna be break. Romaro, Ironama. Ama, look at me, please. Okay, this is my daughter. Her name is Isika Basumatari. Ama, look at me, please. Ama, look over here. Yes. What's your name? Ama, what's your name? Just tell me, please. Mama, tell your name. What's your name? Oh, this is not telling her name.